Hello everybody and welcome, my name is Marco and I'm Mr. Goodriddance. In today's video I'm sharing a new painting made with my brand new stamping pour technique. In this case we'll see how to balance huge and smaller cells starting from a funnel pour. I hope you're ready to learn, and now without any further ado, let's do this! So today's painting is a perfect example of what we can achieve with the stamping pour technique. We'll see how the result of my funnel pour won't be anything really exciting at first, but once we start adding silicone oil and expanding the paint, we'll see how an amazing effect is created. I'm just gonna speed up the process here. If you haven't checked any of my funnel pour tutorials, you can find them by clicking in the top right corner of my videos, but let's have a look here. As you can see, we got a pretty purple, bluish, greenish puddle, but now I'll start with this kinda pokeball looking cookie cutter that I soaked in silicone oil. And then I'll add circles with this metal thingy that I don't really know what purpose normally serves, but I just bought it to experiment with pouring, so there we go. So just using the round end to leave an imprint in the paint. So let's go again and do it a second time. If you know what this metal thing is, feel free to leave a comment to let me know as well. Alright, so a third time. And now let's just speed up the process. Now I'll use the pointy end of different objects here to soak them in silicone oil and then apply it to the canvas to create smaller cells all around the surface. Okay, now that I'm done adding all of my cells, I'll spin the canvas quite hard because I want the paint to expand as much as possible in this case. Alright, now I'll give it another spin and I'll speed up the process here as well. Now I just want to fill some of these spaces with smaller cells to create some sort of tentacle effect. I'll just try to distribute these evenly and around. I don't want this effect to overtake the overall look of the painting, so I'll just add them here and there. Alright, I am pretty happy with the results. Let's have a closer look. So I hope you're enjoying the paintings I'm doing with this technique. I think it gives my pours a really interesting and fresh twist, but I'd like to hear what you think. Please like this video and subscribe to my channel if you're enjoying my content. It really helps and motivates me to keep sharing these videos. For today, that's it. I'd like to thank you as usual for watching, and I'll see you next time.